everybody, and welcome back to the Ratrod Hauler project. This is 2020 and we have changed the plan a little bit. We were going to use that International cab, and since then we found something pretty cool. The International is still getting built. We're going to slam it on a dually chassis instead, so we can do a little bit different of a build on that, but we're going to use the bus chassis and everything that we've already been working on, and this is the truck that it's going to go on. So let's take a look. All right, so we've got ourselves a 1953 Dodge. The eyeballs come standard. This thing's pretty sweet. Got cool fender flares. The patina on this thing is absolutely stunning. 5-window truck, and check it out. It's a wrecker in the back. So, current situation is we got this in here by our lift. We're gonna pop the bed off, get it onto some carts, and then we gotta do a little bit of reinforcement on this cab. As you can see, the floors are gone in it, so we need to do a little bit of reinforcement. We're going to throw some bar in that, some bar stock, get it welded up so that it doesn't flex. And then this bad boy is going to get the cab pulled, and we're going to start filling the holes on it and get it put on our International bus chassis you've seen before. Something kind of cool here. We got this little gap. We're going to make that gap about 4 feet longer, and this thing's still going to be mid-engine. So we're going to do a mid-engine 53 Dodge Wrecker. So taking that original chassis that we were building, since I haven't showed you guys recently here, I'm gonna walk over there and get some video of that. It's next door to our other shop. But it's on full air ride in the front now with a custom 3-link. So I'm gonna slam this thing down on that, and it's gonna be pretty sweet. So stay tuned as we get into this. I'll take some video of us tearing it down.
The devil run. I gave him poison just for fun. I had one friend, now there's none. I made the devil run. I broke so many bones, but none of them were ever my own. They were an army, I was alone. I broke so many bones. I'm bad as bad can be, so bad that it's hard to believe what they say about me. I'm bad, take a look and see, so bad that it's hard to believe. I don't care what they say about me. I watched an empire fall. I stormed the gate and scaled the walls. They wouldn't share, so I took it all. I watched an empire fall. I'm bad as bad can be, so bad that it's hard to believe what they say about me. I'm bad, take a look and see, so bad that it's hard to believe. I don't care what they say about me. Stop me! You better watch out, here I come. I'm bad as bad could be. I'm bad as bad. everything I want. Don't believe me, then just watch. Standing like the earth is mine, moving like I own this time. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. I'm just doing what I do. Won't stop doing what I do. Can't stop me now. Ain't backing down. Can't stop me now. I'm just doing what I do. Won't stop doing what I do. Ain't afraid to bare my soul. Ain't afraid to walk on coals. Hear the thunder when I step. You know where to place your bet. I'm burning like a house on fire, cutting like a razor wire. I ain't gonna tell no lies. I ain't gonna apologize. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. I'm just doing what I do. Won't stop doing what I do. Can't stop me now. Ain't backing down. Can't stop me now. I'm just doing what I do. Won't stop doing what I do. Not trying to be your hero. It's the only way that I know. This battle is never through. Every risk that I take, every bone that I break, just doing what I do. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. I'm just doing what I do. Won't stop doing what I do. Can't stop me now. Ain't backing down. Can't stop me now. I'm just doing what I do. Won't stop doing what I do. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. I'm just doing what I do. Won't stop doing what I do. Can't stop me now. Ain't backing down. Can't stop me now. I'm just doing what I do. Won't stop doing what I do.
So there it is, it's finally on the ground. We are getting this thing carted up and we're gonna ship it next door to my other shop where we're gonna put it together. Actually, I gotta do a little bit of modification to the floor. This thing's kind of rusty, as you guys seen, but there it is, that's a wrap. And that's the first video back on the build series with the new Dodge Wrecker, 1953 Dodge. So stay tuned, we're gonna do more videos to follow with all the fab work that goes in to put this on our international bus chassis. Thanks for watching.
Never backing down. Hard work to the point.